guys. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. And know that I'm not the market maker. After this, you are to do your analysis, and if it goes well with your analysis, you can take your trade. So I'm just here to share my idea of what is coming, what I think will happen in this coming week. So thank you. Please like, subscribe, and watch. Like I said last week I did what we predicted. We said it's going to consolidate because at this side there was a consolidation there, and it actually consolidated. So we've predicted a lot of moves so far. You can go back to watch all our videos, and you see that is everything is live. That's date and everything. So you can go back to watch our videos. So it's consolidate last week, and this week, what are we looking at? At the moment, we're not seeing any. I'm not seeing anything that will actually any movement that will actually alter my bias, which I said I'm looking at the monthly time frame. This CRT in the monthly time frame, and I said it's going to open high, low, and close. So, and it has 11 days. 11 days right here. You can see it right here. 11 days at this end. So, and the weekly, I said that if I'm going to change my bias, I would like this candle to close above here, going up, but it has not happened. So my bias is still like I'm looking at a sell to this point, but it has been consolidating this thing. So that's not the tricky part. Now I think after the consolidation we might have a very big push, a big move. So what we're going to do is that we're going to chill for after the consolidation. The daily time frame or the 4 hours will tell us where we should put, where we're going to enter, or what we're going to get next. And we've not gotten that confirmation here of what's going to happen next. We're just seeing the consolidation at this. If you look at this, see that price just been right in that box throughout, consolidating in that box. It didn't close above, it didn't close below. So which we said last week. And look at this. Look at this. This is Friday, and we said last week consolidation. So we've been having that consolidation. And for now, I'll say if you have to trade gold, take a scalp. Don't really go into it and wait for after this consolidation. Breakout traders might be looking for where price is going to break out from. Look for your other block trader will be looking, okay, what's going to form next. Fair value gap, okay, what's going to happen next. What gap is to be filled, but wait for this consolidation. After that, you can enter the trade. But for now, my bias is still a sell on gold. So we go to BTC. For BTC, nothing much. We predicted the buy from up here, up right here. We've predicted a lot of stuff for BTC right from here, and it's been great. You can go back to watch our YouTube videos, watch our previous videos. You see that we've been predicting all these moves. And please like, subscribe, and also share. Which I said, if you look at this point before it went up, this was really good. I said this I'm going to take my trade, and it was wow from there. So BTC has been consolidating since. Don't see any big move at the moment, but it can happen. And the BTC is consolidating above here, below here rather. Sorry, above here and below here. BTC is consolidating. We're having that consolidation right there in those two other blocks, and for the meantime, we don't know what's happening. When we see a break, we can enter, or when we see something we want to see, we can just enter. But for the meantime, in BTC and gold, you can look for scalping until you see what you want. For now, I'm not seeing what I want. You can go for scalp 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3 scalp. Then go for what you want. Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. My bias for BTC, first of all, is not known. I think BTC might still buy, but if it comes down, I can still look for an entry, but it's not known. We have a couple of fair value gap right here below it, and um for gold, I'm still saying bearish because of the monthly time frame and nothing yet. The consolidation that it consolidated last week was what we predicted, and it looks like okay, we're going to have what we want, but have it in mind, you have to be smart. Sometimes the market will give you what you want, and then it just, at the end of the whole thing, will just change. And when you see that change, that's when you know, okay, it's about to change. So that's what we just have to look at it. And if we, and I do say this, if you take first loss to your buyers, like if you consider a bias and you take a first loss, you can still enter again, but do your analysis. And if you take the second loss, don't trade again, don't trade for that day. So concerning gold, I'm looking for a sell. Concerning BTC, nothing yet, but the consolidation has not yet showed us in both pairs. The consolidation have not shown us what we're going to look for, or where we're going to enter. So thank you guys, and do have a good day. Bye.